Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by signing into Kit and confirming your email. This unlocks list creation. Once done, pick a focused niche so your curation targets a clear audience. Next, add 5 to 15 products that actually solve a problem and paste your affiliate links into each item. Make sure to include a short, transparent disclosure at the top of the kit. This gets you live quickly and legally with a product mix optimized for click-through and conversions. Once your basic kit exists, you optimize each entry so people buy. You should write tight, benefits-driven titles and 50 to 100 word descriptions explaining why each product matters. Meanwhile, upload high-resolution images and reorder items so the highest converting or highest margin products appear first. Make sure to add tags, group items into subcollections, and fill SEO fields to increase discoverability. Also test 2 thumbnail options. Small visual wins often lift click rates, and downstream you launch by publishing the kit and promoting it where your audience already spends time: social posts, newsletters, and niche forums. Once live, monitor clicks and conversions using UTM parameters so you know which channels work. If performance lags, iterate. Swap underperforming products, rewrite descriptions, or a /B thumbnail images. If an affiliate link breaks or doesn't track, immediately replace it with a fresh affiliate URL, clear caches, and retest in an incognito window. This fix solves most tracking failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.